I've never tried the parking thing before, but I'm going to see if it actually works. I don't even know if I have the right settings turned on or anything, but I'm going to parallel park here. Let's see what I do here. Navigate to parking, parking assistance, active park assist, space found, please drive forward. Okay. Is that enough? What do I do? Okay, stop. Release steering wheel and shift to neutral. This is so weird. Okay, release steering wheel. Man, this thing better not wreck my truck. Press release brake to start. Hold parking button. Okay, release brake and then hold parking button. I guess I gotta keep hold of it. Okay, this is so weird. Oh my gosh, I'm not doing anything. Holy crap, don't run into that. What do you do? Wow, this thing like goes way too fast for me. I'm holding the parking button. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What? I'm still not touching anything. This thing is parking for me. And it
That's awesome.
I'm sorry, but that's like the scariest thing I've ever done in my truck. I had no idea. That's the first time I've ever used it. So, yeah. So it is super cool. It worked. It accesses the cameras all around. That was awesome. So again, it's the button right here. So it can navigate to parking or it can park for you, just like what it says right here. And it just parked for me. And then you just follow the instructions. Wow. That was stressful though. That was really stressful. By the way, I just heard a news article too that Ford is actually planning to get rid of that parking feature because a lot of people aren't using it. And it's probably just because of what I just did. I was just like, I don't want this thing to run into anything. So it's a little apprehension, but man, I'm going to be using this a lot more from now on. So now you know how to do that. Automatic parking feature, Ford F150 Lightning, man, this is awesome. Thank you, Ford. Great job. So I just did the automatic parallel parking thing and I wanted to show you how good of a job it did. Parking right here between two cars.